All right, all right. Good morning, everyone. Morning, good morning. February 27th, new trading day. And what a week. What a week. It's all over the place. Example here, XY, JPY, the indices. See how this by default is a difficult trading week, looking at the consolidation across the board. So we'll go over how the market looks like right now. And please share in the chat if there's any pairs you were looking at. I'm looking first at Forex Factory. I'm seeing 2 red folders. Later today, unemployment claims and GDP. See Abdul, good morning. First like, let's go. Yeah, like the stream. That would be awesome. Admiral, good morning. Hey Fedu, fellow trader. Who guys are already funded? I am funded. My fundeds are suffering, I must say. This week is not, this month in general is not going to be fun for my funded accounts. Horrible actually. Most of them are in drawdown right now. But that's the magic about funded accounts. You can lose them, but you can also win them again. That's why personally I think trading funded accounts is the best way to go if you're not at like 500k, because it limits the downside. So the only thing you can lose is basically the time you put in a challenge and the challenge fee. The upside is basically unlimited payouts. While if you're only trading personal accounts, you're on drawdown and you blow your account or whatever, you lose that money forever. And most of the time that's more than you will pay on a challenge fee. So here are my 2 cents on why I think prop firms are nice. Cool. Okay, let's do DXY first, then we'll go over NASDAQ. Cool. So DXY, the idea for this week was very clear. In my opinion, it was shorting from the daily SIBI. Well, that's what I did. So right here, this move, I missed this move. But when I saw these filler swings being created yesterday, I shorted the DXY. And what I mean by shorting DXY, I longed GU. Well, you guys see, this is another fun trade. Almost TP. And why was my TP there? It was the obvious equal highs here, completing the market maker buy model. I still think we will get there. SMTs with EU is a very good trade. I think my stop loss was a little too high there. My TP was a little too high there, but not there yet. Happened here as well, and here as well. So GU, 3 times good direction, 3 times execution, not too good. So that's for the journal. And let's go over NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we still did SMT on the lows here, the February low. With ES, like ES took that low. Now we started to move up. So for today, I have a very clear game plan for NASDAQ. We have a drawn liquidity that are the daily SIBIs here. But ideally, first I would like to see some form of discount arrays being respected. Order block here, value gaps. These ones. And I think the 4 hour is the best one. Pull it up. Like after this candle, which ends in 3 hours. Let's see if we have a value gap here. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. I'll be looking for short-term higher price on the indices. First, wait for some form of discount rate to be respected and then get in. So this is going to be close to the York session, also closer to the red folders, 8:30. GU, well, GU, my bias on DXY is now neutral because we are basically consolidating. I still think now with these lows, still not very nice. But I'm probably gonna sit out the USD pairs today because we should have followed through on this price action. If we don't do that, we are now in a consolidation. And I don't trade consolidations. And in consolidations, today actually, I think after stream already, let me quickly check. There will be a banger video released about fair value gaps. And one of the frameworks I discuss in the fair value gap is the mistake in trading consolidations versus expansions. This is good. Oh, this is bad. This is good. And now we are in a consolidation. So make it easy for yourself. If you're in consolidation, by default, your trades are not going to be very nice. Because fair value gaps we won't hold in consolidations. Let's say there's now a bullish fair value gap here created. You expect price to do this. But in consolidations, they don't. They just chill around. So for example here, step into this fair value gap. We want price to go lower. We didn't. Then we make a bullish fair value gap. We want price to come back here and then trade to the highs. We didn't. Then we displaced lower, creating a fair value gap. We wanted to tap in and go lower. That's the trade I took yesterday. But we didn't. Get up again. So this is one of the pillars I discuss in the upcoming video. That will be shared after stream. So that's why so the question in chat was, what about GU? Well, I trade GU and I still think we have a very nice draw on liquidity that's to the upside. So potentially later today, but based on the DXY, which I used to trade GU with, I'm now neutral. Cool. What about UZGSF? Well, UZGSF had a similar idea. Very nice 4-hour structure towards a weekly bullish value gap. That's the one from the weekly outlook, the one I shared. Weekly bullish value gap here. On liquidity. We also have the order block here. And we tapped into that one and now we are going higher. So same as, let me make it smaller, same as for the DXY, quite neutral, but I'll be open for just higher price again. I'm good with that. Tuesday low of the week and go higher, but also UC in general, I'm neutral. Yeah, ES made an equal high. I see this as well. In general, the highs of the indices, the all-time highs, are going to be ran somewhere in the coming weeks. The question is from where. So we already could set in the low here, just go trading higher. That's fine. And I'll probably be in a move a little higher. Similar for YM. We are still in that weekly value gap here. And what we do here in the weekly value gap is very funny. You guys know this is the value gap. And we take liquidity the whole time. So what we do is we ran liquidity. Oh, it's already here. Smaller. So we take liquidity right here. We ran higher. Then we come back, take liquidity again. Then we ran higher. Then we take liquidity again. This one, the Tuesday liquidity yesterday. And we trade higher. And all inside that weekly value gap. And that's very significant. So for today on YM, I'm curious, are we going to respect this 4-hour SIBI to continue lower? Or are we just going to continue upwards, which could be sitting at low here? And when a low is taken inside a key level, weekly BIS, that's where the trade ID here was based on. If a key level, you can call it turtle soup or liquidity sweep or a purge or different names, same thing. That's high resistance liquidity. So doing it multiple times makes it, in my opinion, even stronger. But many stop losses are blown here. Cool, let's go over the rest of the list. Let me know in the chat if there's any questions or any other pairs you are looking at. Let's go over the British indices, UK 100. Action from the 4-hour SIBI, which was expected. Don't like the price action though, so skipping that for now. DAX trades to daily SIBI. Still have that weekly busy left open. Could run that very soon. And DAX could be interesting. I'll react here from the daily bearish value gap. We are very bullish. There were trades in play, and then next week going back to all-time high. That could be a nice thing to do. Well, your AD hit the target without me. I was waiting for here, but we only tested this for value gap. Very bullish price action. This is my favorite model. There's a sales aggressive buys for value gap 1, for value gap 2. Here is where all my entries are. Well, no entry, so that's fine. Nitsu Gold is moving crazy this week. Did you catch any? Oh, no. But it is actually my textbook model. Like if I'm making a video about my model, it's gold. So I'm quite sad that I'm not in. And why? It's taking out a high, displacing lower, creating for value gap 1, for value gap 2, boom. Clear lows. So no, I'm not in, unfortunately. But this was, sometimes I have that my outlook is perfect. This is exactly how I want the week to go, but I just completely missed the move. I was waiting inside the 4-hour for value gap up here to get a little more structure, but we didn't get any structure on any time frame. It was just down only. Down only. This price action also did not give a nice entry because it was Asia. So yesterday's price, of course, on the 4-hour it looks very clean. This Asia Asia high, tap into it a few times and then go lower. Also Wednesday Asia. So when I'm back in Asia, probably gonna trade gold intraday during Asia because gold moves very nice during Asia last few months. Yeah, so good sell-offs. The structure is very clean on the 4-hour. Only the time that it happened, and in IC trading in my model, time plays an important role. Didn't give an entry, so it sucks. You see the move, you miss it, part of the game. Very frustrating, very normal. Well, Bitcoin is making the big rebalancing, finally. We took liquidity up there, 109, 109. And we're rebalancing, same for Ethereum. GBNCD could be nice. Coming in for today or tomorrow. We have a monthly bearish fair value gap here. Gonna be on top of the list. Monthly bearish fair value gap. And we are creating structure towards that. So maybe today or tomorrow, I will be playing this. The 4 hour, we already rebalanced this fair value gap, so I don't need that price to come back here. But it would be ideal to at least come back here before going higher. So when price comes in this area, today or tomorrow, I'm gonna also set an alert, and I'm gonna hunt for potential entry. So definitely put it on your radar. In the meantime, I'm updating the Skool post. So after stream, you still have the ideas we're sharing during stream, so you can use it as your guide for during the day. Cool. Let's also continue with our background music. There we go. Enjoy a little music. It's an idea of one of you during your previous stream. I love the idea. Now we're chilling. You called it last week. Yeah, I did. Yeah, and I think Bitcoin will bounce back, yes. Yeah, so most people forget about crypto and they think 2025 bull run, up only. I honestly think we are going here in the coming months, like without doubt. What most people forget is in a bull run, and it's going to be more crypto related, so I'm sorry if I'm going off track here a little bit. But let's go back to the previous bull run. This one, it wasn't 2020, 2021, this one. See how many pullbacks we had. Watch this. This was minus 32%. It was in January. Now in February. Oh, it actually was also part of February. Oh, end of January at that time. Cool. Then another one. right here. February, another 26% dip. And oh, people also forget perhaps about this 56% dip, right? So when you see the up only people, don't forget that crypto bull runs are brutal, are brutal. So it's like, I don't day trade crypto. I have some crypto just for fun. Not very significant. But this is what I noticed. Like, and now we haven't yet. So now we have that from here. Oh, congrats. You survived your first 25% downturn. Maybe it's gonna be 30, maybe it's gonna be 35. Important thing is that you're not leveraged here. Because leverage will take you out, it will liquidate you. If you're just holding spot, you're just holding like your projects, your I don't know, your Ripples, your XRPs, your Cardanos, your AVAX, your Solanas, Ethereum. You should be fine, because then you have two options. If you think we still go higher, you will hold. And if you can buy more, you cannot buy more, you just chill and focus on something else. Cool, that was a little crypto side note. Well, I think Euro GBP is also ready to make a move towards the lows. We haven't discussed JPY yet. After we hit that high again, we just started consolidating, we started chilling. The Euro JPY is my favorite. I think we can still go here. But look at this, it's not very pretty, right? So if you did not make money this week, or you were confused this week, I was too. I'm not personally confused, but this was not my best week of the year. That's normal, that's normal. Still many opportunities, with more low-hanging fruit. Just intraday ones. Bitcoin's a big bit of track, but what do you think about meme coins? A lot of people are suffering. I never touched meme coins. I think meme coins are, or were, or are a perfect way to hit like your lottery, your jackpot. And many people did, which is awesome. Very happy for all those people. But I think on some point there were like 500,000 new meme coins posted per day, or some crazy number. Maybe I'm a little off here, but like an insane amount of number meme coins created, with a few popping off, and you only hear the winner stories, but not the loser story, let's say. But again, most of my time is spent here on the Forex indices and metals side, so I don't day trade crypto. I'm chilling. I know a lot about the crypto market because I'm a trader, but for in general, I'm on the sidelines. Cool. So the DEX shorts could be coming in. Nice. See what we have on 9. Remember on Tuesday stream that I tried to short here, and the deck said in like 1 minute, no thank you. Oh, so for now, I'm actually not looking at entering anything. AOD also nice. Yeah, so it's probably gonna be like what you can do in days like this, or maybe you guys see your setup and that's awesome. But for me, I don't see too much right now. And then what you can do, and we can touch on that. Because most difficult thing about trading is, comes teaser, is waiting. You're used to the more units of time you put into something, the more you will be rewarded, right? That's in everything in life. Except for trading. There it is the opposite. You are rewarded for inaction. Low probability market condition. So for example, when DXY is consolidating, when indices don't have clear structure, when your own model is just not there, there is where inaction will make you money, and it will make you money in the sense of that you don't lose it. So something I still suffer this curse about trading as well, where I'm very excited, I'm ready, and I took unnecessary losses because of that this month. And it's always funny because if you think you can outsmart the market because of that, like, oh yeah, I can shoot these setups, the market will humble you. You can trade Nasdaq in London, Deepesh, but in general, in the New York session, it moves better. And there are some weeks where we have insane London moves, but in general, yeah, it's only New York. If you want to trade indices in London, I would then recommend going to or UK, because that's from the UK, and the DAX from Germany. Also, but this, I want to bring this home. This is where I'm going to spend the most of my time doing today. Waiting. Maybe not doing anything. And we touched on this before. And this is the whole reason why Dion trades exist. Because I was bored. Patience finding something to do in between. And my in between was I was starting creating videos because I was like, what am I now gonna do? Like, there's nothing to do. Let's make a video about, I don't know, market structure or value games. I don't say you need to do that, but go outside for a walk or run. I saw many people are runners in the group. It's awesome. Go for a walk or run. Go read a book. Go play video games. Go deliver. Maybe you're at work right now. A+ quality work on your job. Get energy there. Be irreplaceable. You need this money for challenges. Let's get a raise because you can buy more challenges. USD pair shorts. Let's see. That means higher DXY, which I'm not too convinced on shorts yet. Of course, we see 1, 2 candles down. Let's see if it holds. I think GU. I don't like the Asia lows. I agree with that. Yeah, I'm still neutral, guys, and that is to do. I'm not gonna take intraday trades when the 4 and 1 hour looks like this. I refuse to do that. Have fun trading this, but I cannot give a nice analysis because I don't trade consolidations. Cool. Well, because I have nothing more to share, we're gonna do a shorter stream today. Going back New York session. If there are any questions, feel free to ask them now in the chat or as a post in the Skool group. There will be a new video released later today. Then we're gonna close out February 1st soon and see what March has to offer for us. So, I'll leave a post on the new video as well. I'm very sure you guys are gonna enjoy that one. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Next stream is on Monday. We have first weekly outlook. We post on YouTube. Then we do New York session training together. And on Tuesday and Thursday, we will do London live trading again. Thanks for tuning in. Have an amazing rest of your trading day. See you later.